Hello viewers, good morning to all. Today we will see the alteration in allowance that cover under section 127 of Crpc. The alteration in allowance means an order to increase, decrease or remove, cancel the allowance which was ordered by the magistrate under section 125. Section 125 deals with the maintenance awarded to the wife, children and parents. So according to section 127 subclause 1, if a magistrate ordered to give allowance for maintenance under section 125 according to the condition of parties at that time, but if the present condition of parties have changed, then he can also order to alter the allowance. So section 127 subclause 1 deals with the conditions of the parties, changes in the condition of the parties, and then the court will decide whether the allowance is altered or increase or decrease in the allowance of maintenance awarded to the party, that is wife, children or parents. For example, first, husband had a well-settled job and means for maintenance. On this basis, the court has ordered him to maintain his wife and to allowance under section 125. But in the present condition, the husband has no job and means for maintenance. Then the court can alter the allowance and can reduce the amount of allowance. Next, subclause 2 says that if a wife was not having any job or she was unable to maintain herself and she got the order of allowance under section 125, but after some months she is well settled and she has the means to maintain herself, in this case the court can order to remove or cancel allowance. So these are the conditions in which the magistrate court has power to alter or revoke or decrease or increase in the maintenance order, allowance in the maintenance order. So according to section 127 subclause 2, magistrate shall cancel or revoke any order given under section 125 by him if it appears that it should be cancelled in consequences of any decision of the competent civil court. For example, if magistrate has ordered to give allowance to wife after divorce but civil court has ordered to live together, then the magistrate has to revoke his order which was given under section 125 of Crpc. According to section 127 subclause 3, where an order has been made in favor of woman under section 125, then the magistrate can cancel the order in the following cases. First, if a woman is remarried after divorce, if a woman has taken allowance under any personal law after divorce. Third, if a woman has voluntarily leave her right to maintenance. So these are conditions covered under section 127 subclause 3 where an order can be cancelled by the magistrate court. Thanks for watching video. So guys, this is the explanation on section 127 subclause 3. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.